Today, we're going to talk about the best trend indicator. Stay tuned. Welcome everybody to Coffee with Markus. Today, as you can see, I'm not at home. I'm in a hotel room in Florida. I'm traveling again. But I wanted to join you here to Coffee with Markus because one of the questions that I receive all the time is, how do I find out whether a stock is trending or not? So today, we're going to talk about the best trend indicator. Now, by doing this, let's jump to the charts right away. Here we go. So here I brought up the website finance.yahoo.com. It's a website everybody has access to, and if you want to analyze any stock, let's see, one of the most active stocks today is SQ. So why don't we bring up SQ? Doesn't really matter. So you bring up SQ, and then here we can click on full screen. When you do this, now you have an opportunity to add indicators. And now the question is, what indicator do you use? Now, first of all, indicators are fantastic because they're objective. Indicators tell you whether a market is going up, down, or sideways. And let me show you how to do this. First of all, there is no one best indicators. There is dozens, maybe even hundreds of indicators out there. And I personally like to use 3 indicators to identify whether a stock is more likely to go up, down, or sideways. The first indicator that I like to use is the RSI. So let's just click here on RSI, and we want to use a setting of 7. That's what I personally like to use, and we have the overbought and oversold to 50. Here we go. Now you see the RSI, and generally, whenever the RSI is above 50, it means that now we have bullish market conditions. And when it is below 50, it means that we have bearish market conditions. So as you can see, right now, based on the RSI, for the past, I want to say week or two, this stock was in bullish market conditions. Now, one indicator is not enough. I like to add a second indicator, and as a second indicator, I like to use the stochastics. So bring up the stochastics here, and I like to use a setting of 14, that is correct, and we only need the slow stochastic. So let me set this one to white. We only need to see the red line here. Fantastic, here we go. Whenever the stochastics is above 50, it means that now we have bullish market conditions, and when it is below 50, we have bearish market conditions. Now, as you can see here, first, the RSI confirmed that we have bullish market conditions, and a few days later, the stochastics also turned above 50. So this means that on this particular day here, right here, this is when the stock moved from a sideways move into an uptrend based on these 2 indicators. Now, I like to use a third indicator as well, and the third indicator that I like to use is the moving average convergence divergence, also called MACD. So MACD, we'll leave the regular settings here, and we'll bring this up. And here, what I would like to see with this indicator is that the purple line is above the orange line. So if you take a look at these 3 indicators, then you see that on this particular day, 2/20, on February 20th, all 3 indicators indicated bullish market conditions, meaning that the RSI was above 50 and the stochastics was above 50 and the RSI was, the purple line was above its moving average, the orange line. So this is when right now there's an opportunity to buy. Now, as you can see, for the next few days, this stock was just going sideways, but then today it exploded. So we would have had an entry here at around, I want to say, $44, maybe $45. And then it jumped up to $50. So that's a move of 10%, and that's what we are looking for. We want to see stocks that are ready to explode within a week or two. My sweet spot for being in a trade is anywhere between 5 and 20 days. Now, an opportunity that I identified today was Voya. I don't even know what these guys are doing, because all I do is look at the indicators that told me that today was a day where all indicators were pointing up. So actually it happened yesterday. As you can see, yesterday the RSI was above 50, the stochastics was above 50, and also the MACD moved above its signal line. So the purple line is above the orange line. It's a bit hard to see here, but if you look on this side, right here on the left side, you see that on the previous day, the purple line was at 0.09 and the orange line at a negative of 0.2. So this is where here we have a perfect entry, and the entry was at around $51. And as you can see today, it already jumped up to $51.97. So here, this means that now we are no longer in a sideways move. This means that now this stock has the potential to go up to 55 or even higher. Because again, that's what I like to see, that a stock is moving around 10% within 5 to 20 days. So, in summary, what is the best trend indicator for stocks? Well, for me, it is 3 indicators. And let me go back here to the screen. Let me come back onto the camera. There we go, right? So we're talking about 3 indicators, and the indicators that I like to use is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. It is the Stochastics D, and then also the MACD. Now, why indicators? Because indicators are more objective. You see here, it is crystal clear. Is the RSI above 50 or is it below 50? There's no room for interpretation, and that's what I want when trading, because when trading, I want to trade what I see and not what I think. Because whenever I trade what I think, it went horribly wrong. Indicators are black and white. And as you can see, indicators are easy to use, even if you're absolutely new to trading. And the beautiful thing these days, it doesn't require a fancy software. You can trade indicators, or you can chart indicators on free websites like finance@yahoo.com. All right, hope that helps and clarifies what is the best trend indicator for stocks. In my opinion, it's 3. Hit like if you like this, leave a comment if you have any questions about these indicators, and share this with a friend who might be interested in knowing what the best indicator for stocks is. And I'll see you the next time.
Like and leave a comment and let me know what you think. And make sure to subscribe to this channel to get new videos automatically.